Welcome, Lakers!
Welcome, Lakers, from admissions.
Welcome, Lakers!
We can't wait to see you in the fall at SUNY Oswego.
Hey, Lakers! This is Oswego Women's Rugby. Welcome to Oswego!
From the Advisement Center. See you soon, Lakers!
Welcome, Lakers.
Welcome, Lakers, to SUNY Oswego. In a few weeks, we will welcome you to our magnificent Lakeside campus, a campus where we transform lives and ignite possibilities. I cannot wait to see you.
Here's a few things you need to do before you arrive on campus.
Complete your online orientation modules through the applicant portal.
Pack everything you need for your time at Oswego. Students can find the list of prohibited items here.
If you plan to work on campus, here's what you'll need.
Get to campus Wednesday, August 21st for our Laker Launch program. Come enjoy some awesome events like MCC Takeover, Taste of Oswego, and Paint the Road.
We're the Office of Student Orientation and Family Engagement.
We are here to help. If you need assistance this summer, please call our office.
Our phone number is 315-312-5522.
We can't wait to meet you this August and welcome you to our campus on the lake.
See you soon, Lakers!